the bonnet and a quiet fast white chair, the Presidɛnt Akufo Addo, also a London. Waiting someone Akufo Addo, and so it's me to Abra, and in Comodino, and so it's me stretch to see Agyapadeɛ Deal. Currently, as I'm talking to you, the grand scheme, I will be a K1ng Agyapadeɛ Deal. I'm a said almost a week ago, and I Osagyefo Amoatia for Panin, and so adding a new sem, ever to ya. Okyehene say this particular book radio, no Amoatia for Panin, would name Ofori. Made the update every by a real August in him say Kim, a no day na Akufo Addo, the President of Ghana, and so a Trinity, a bit change. So no, Sahabu for K1ng or no name Ofori da. And you're building date upon date. Akufo Addo teach so 2018, 2012, 2008, and 2016 in some May. And the main opposition party and so Antimian Campa or no, and in the man you call a MPP no and so both past and a present. 2018 a month for the council, I could delay in the Bonibi Amanaho and so Etimia chair. And any health 2018 Corona Council fairly Amasa Pobi a Unisa Omedi Ghana anymore or no unqualified because now one day no a CP a crowd. 2008, only by two the former President Kufoso say the former President Zeba Ghana the gold reserve on the dia or Bomu Tokru with Dimu Sekina Maya here and you free so I want you a Ghana and so ebe to me akomu we and some Akufo Addo editu ya FRA 2008 during the time of the former President Akufo and so and the opposition party ebe kafa ne ho 2016 on beka sa Akufo Addo omo achi no and so atum e London adaya wakwa akodi luboni bi eni mama na so an she 2016 so there was a grand one and that report in the nsem Enansa Akufo Addo no and so any team ekun the former wife now semi nyina e koso eja wo pretty good date upon date na no and the man is team ko tisi Agyapadeɛ Deal no asabre obia e ka ho asem no ene enso ye Grandmanche birthday ntie bia onnim ene the Grandmanche ne birthday itimi sremo abuja me man e few seconds na me we say the Grandmanche for the respect I was show to Asantema nana onkwaso nana enkwada na minim say any di out there ma Asantema nti Asante and so ebe tawachi brebia any a brebia mama visit 21st of September so the freezing my bones I want a English a boxer I afraid Steve Cream and so be share e baba yara sports stadium reason baba yara sports stadium there bibi koswa with him say fans and the supporters kumase for no o me ba ko bo say tem intima rain pieces when e a boxing ho party a we book you take it on time they will do her on time and sign a stadium nso atimi aboma e ka say e bia pass ase open fidie e de adwi won sa so Ghana ba bia open fidie ni bia no na sa say enso ebetimi aboa mo nya fidie na wo de adwi asa wo pass ase e ho dwon so dia do not forget to contact 00491521187756 I mean connect you to Nana Sase for asase amanso sembia nso ni ho me mo nwram ni nkote ensem a e na Akufo Addo enso e dia ba betu dwa one e Osagyefo Amoatia Ofori Panin
K1ng Bomodin K1ng will try pa
the run up to the 2008, 2012 and 2016 presidential elections I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories aimed at attacking my credibility and integrity. In 2008, baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Akufo was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tensions. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled Agyapadeɛ is being peddled around by operatives of the opposition as evidence of a grand scheme by my party to annex the assets of the state. These experiences underscore the importance of discerning truth from falsehood and the need for all of us to remain vigilant against the dangers of misinformation and disinformation.
Yeah. Everyone and let's say this they are there, and they are this master. Now they send it. The yes, you got it, our power. Now we before the advocacy, master.
When you actually Ghanaian youth in the young, no woman tells you, and some man Akufo Addo elevator Ghana, almost dear woman engine. Who compare more internet some of the comments that I received and me too. As I'm anyway, in summarizing the two main different points of views and describe what Ghanaians are really feeling right now. And you compare away internet, and so I don't want to say one with the and someone a war a book and Akufo Addo when you move your castle when you move ya. And yeah, now what a bit of say, Omunim say, the MPP party no, and so into me and Yenisa. And to hear on the screen, some of the comment that I received, and I made out to a screen. So when you have a chair, now I'll go to two main different point of view. I'm matching two comment from this side, two comment from this side. We don't just say an Akufo any a and semi hubi. Sounds like I am watching for opinion into any more. I want to say the main opposition party no, NDC, and so they design a book and so they share a MPP for. We don't just say they're being correct because there are some prophecies be a book anymore. It has been fulfilled, and so because of that, in no, dear N and Akufo the two guy could see almost say any correct book no a MPP for scheme. You know, better in case of any update here. And so, I never say here. So, now, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, subscribe here. Here, partners, send me a video to my on side. And me, I can be sharp, fast. 18 now on side. I don't want to have a subscription in channel to all notification icon. And no, and announce on my phone so it me I catch us here. Upload the video. Obiara can I after the speech of the president and Akufo Addo. Osagyefo Deal no nim hore. Wo ogene ho sen. Ani nchie mu aye de Amoatia for Panin. Ose aintu onim nyansa kra no a obetwere book na ordinanim enso ato akira na. Into ono so ontumi enye sa. The comment section is open. Obetimi do adwen for comment section hono. Inu obedi nkra. Do not forget to share this video. Now you be so ono so nteye. Say the Agyapadeɛ Deal no. Akufo Addo aba beka ho asem. Sounds na Amoatia for Panin beka ho asem. Ono so nya access to this video. You be share on our next video. Background.
Okyehene an bebre no ani medada. Ni won komo ketewa bi. Mu hia me pa. Sa na me yehwe so se ho be hia won so. Ensem tia wa bi pe. Itima me wi a America kakra bi. De edi kan. Eda obi ase. A waso ye K1ng Ghana mu. A waso me mu. Especially on a TikTok. Ami adom wankasa onwane odonti. Yene na over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if say gusompo ana e follow yen. Ana mu di echi e wo ye TikTok. Sa wodo ye anso na mu yi kire me e wo ye Facebook. Na de me pese mu hunu ni. Aresrede e ho won faso. Ene say. Afi ne mabi e YouTube account. E ye mono pa. The content e wo mu kura ndru ba bia. Afi ne de ba. There are a lot of beautiful packages I dey break Ghana for. Wa mu ni media mu ni say de mesi e medwuma. Enu nti nsi me form. Oni gi video bia me de bebe bia ho. Enu nti mesre wade ba ko pese. Ye ti abusua foforo wa hai. E YouTube hai. Ma re mfi say. Obe subscribe channel we ama me. An ni say de mesi e medwuma. Video ne sofo ma. Obi e ni je ho. We aye abusua ku foforo a ye ti ni YouTube hai nti no. Channel ya ya abofra afi na wo nyini. Mesre wo say. Be ka me ho ni enyini ha de ne nso nka ho. Say de maboa ama ene TikTok. The woni padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people na follow your TikTok. Amanam sa so eye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook no. Subscribe channel we so ma me. Emum de hia ne say. O subscribe wi a. E ma we mfi sa adoma na that subscription in channel. What the ones have bosso. No what choose all. When say details na ne credit nyina hwehwe na e de abramo. E bi ebie mu so ha. YouTube haye. Say na bia obedi kan. Na won sa ka video bia me de beba bia nti. E sa sere obi o say. O subscribe wi a. E ma we mfi say. What the ones have bo adoma na that subscription in channel. No what choose all no. Ye nyina busua we. Brade be kam ho ne nyina we so. Enka ne ya dada no. Within the ken, the catch content I dey be go YouTube ha. I'm not dancing the munim dada no. Afi na afi ye bebe radio mu dro no. You sure? So when you say me dey meye. Ma ko hwe no kra no. Efe Tiffany apiwe ni anafo. Abro. Odo am wo ma wonti. Munu ya ken ni. Subscribe. Sponsor bo adoma so. Choose you all. Afi share video yi. E mani padodo bebre. Na won so nya bi hwe. Ni mu say manu asi. We dey can subscribe kra dada. E dey won sa bo adoma so. E choose you all no. Within the ken. No dey kra. E be say share on our next video.
K1ng oh boy Juma we dey Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng Ghana will try pa.